All right, so the MTN FA Cup trophy is on tour currently, and it's here at Max TV, IMAX Media, because IMAX Media will be televised and live the finale between Kumasi Asante Kotoko and then Golden Kick Sporting Club. And you can see it's glittering, it's quite heavy. And I just spoke to the chairman of the MTN FA Cup committee, and he says that this is a real thing. So I believe the teams are watching and they'll be poised for action because this thing will set some sort of hostility between these two teams, on Sunday. I'm here with Mr. Wilson Arthur. He is the chairman of the MTN FA Cup committee. Welcome, chairman.
Thank you.
Can you talk to me a bit about the design? It's artistic. I like how it's looking. But what went into the design, first of all?
I don't know the concept,
Okay.
but what I see is three arms holding a golden ball, and it's resting on a nice cylinder. That's all I can say.
Interesting. You guys have worked so well, so much that now the MTN FA Cup is a big deal. And when you take away the Ghana Premier League, the next, big thing, the most prestigious cup any team at all would want to win is the MTN FA Cup. You've done a great job. But talk to me about the 2024-25 season. How has it been as the chairman of the committee?
I think we've had an awesome season. If you look at the way we started, this season has seen the pole issues, so many issues with officiating and those things. But FA Cup has gone clean. FA Cup has gone so smooth. We worked very hard. The clubs have cooperated. Media has supported us. FA has supported us. This is where we are.
All right, so for the first time, we saw the quarterfinals being played at the same venue. So from Babayara, you moved to Takwa for the semifinals. Now we are in Accra again. How's the journey been? Taking all these teams around the country. How has it been so far?
Football is governed by regulations. The regulations that guides FA Cup allows the committee, the management committee, to decide venues for quarterfinals, semifinal, and the final. Okay. And in my past 6 years, I think 5 years, what we did was we allowed clubs that picked home to play the quarterfinals in their homes. Okay. This time we decided that let's go for, and select venues for even the quarterfinals and create a festival around it. Okay. That's what we did. And what it does is it builds momentum. So if you saw what happened in Kumasi, we built on it to get Takwa. And everybody was scared with Takwa because if you are playing Golden Case and Atram Divisa at Takwa, no supporters, how will the game go? But we saw the magic that happened. It's football. We love our football, and we made it happen. So it's built the momentum, and there's very high expectation for this final. And this is the best final you can wish for. Because Golden Case will give us a game. If you saw their performance against Hearts of Oak. Yeah. If you see their performance against Karela, their performance against especially Atram Divisa, very compelling. I mean, you could see that this is a team that knows what they are doing with the ball. When they have the ball, they know what they are doing. When they are defending, they defend, in block. What I like about them is their wing play. The wingers stack in, create room for the fullbacks to catch, and then they cut back and they finish. It's so beautiful. It's so well orchestrated. I mean, if you're a technical person, you see their movement and you know that there's a lot of work going into it. We expect a very good game. What we've christened this final, the unforgettable. Okay. The unforgettable. So we had to work. If we want to make it unforgettable event, what must happen? That's why we brought in the Kotoko Legends versus the Hearts Legends. And when you see the Chasteelers, the Amankwam Rikus, the Sami Ajays, and that Don Bote and Ajatete, Danquays, if you see these guys against the Joe Louis, the Titos, and the Kotoko guys, trust me, we have a fantastic a fantastic game.
Wow, wow. It's quite a lot. You've moved from tactical to entertainment to commercial. You've spoken about almost everything. But what brought that idea of having Hearts legends and Kotoko legends? Because we've seen Kotoko in the final. Hearts of Oak were in the final 3 seasons ago. They won it. 4 seasons ago, they won it again. How come we never saw this, but all of a sudden it's a concept?
The Gen Z, we want to let the Gen Zs see what they missed. Okay. In the 2000s, these guys were stars in the 2000s. They are the media stars we used to pay money to go and watch. So we want to relive it. We want people to see them. And trust me, if you see them, they are fit. They train, they play Monday specials, they are fit and they are good to go. I'm so excited about the curtain raiser. In fact, I call this final a double header. The unforgettable. It's a double header because some people are paying money to come and watch the curtain raiser. And they will be so happy they came. Because when they see the real match, they will appreciate the work that the coaches have done. Trust me, our game is not that bad. We are always underrate our game. But what we will see at this final will shock everybody.
Wow, wow. 2 seasons ago, when Dreams FC won it, they made Ghana so proud. They went to the semi-finals of the Confederations Cup. Last season, there were new winners in Inswachiman. Unfortunately, they couldn't make a mark. How proud does that make you when you see teams compete in this competition that you chair, win it, and go out there and, just hoist the Ghanaian flag?
I remember the questions we faced. Everybody was asking, especially at the semi-final stage. They said, Kim Faisal, Inswachiman, Sky FC, and Dreams. Are you guys sure you can go to Africa? And I was like, you're insulting me. You're insulting me. How much does it take to go to Africa? And it's not like, see, we don't understand these money issues. You don't need to have the money sitting in an account waiting for you to go to Africa. When you get there and you need to go to Africa, you raise the money. You raise the money. Money is hidden in some people's pockets, it's hidden in some values, it's hidden in some properties. If you know how to make money, making money, you won't ask such questions. And Dreams, thank God, qualified and they went to Africa. And you saw what they did. So I was so excited, and I was excited especially because it's Kate's team, So we showed how it should be done. Unfortunately, Swatman couldn't live up to that expectation. But I'm hoping that this time we'll get another befitting winner that can go very far in Africa and make all of us proud.
Are you sure Golden Cake will be the team, or can be the team, if I should ask?
Obi anyo obia, and so Obi. Obi anyo obia, and so Obi. This match, I'll be honest with you. Fortunately, my personal support. I support one of the teams. Okay.
You're a Kotoko fan?
Yes,
Okay.
I'm a Kotoko fan.
So
But
you are rooting
it
for
has
Kotoko.
no bearings on the outcome of the game. You know it. Sure. I worked on the Kotoko MTN sponsorship. I'm a Kotoko. There's no doubt about it. But it has no bearing on the game. I have no interest. It's not like I want my Kotoko to win. My team is Sky FC. So now I have a team. Okay, and even when Sky FC met Accra Suffolk, we played all the ball. They beat us. Yeah. So it happens. This is football.
But finally, what are you telling Ghanaians? Max TV will be showing the game. Most other stations as well will be showing. But what are you telling Ghanaians, those who are not even able to make it to the University of Ghana Stadium? What are you telling everyone?
It's Father's Day. Yeah. Where else would you want to spend your Father's Day? The whole Ghana. University of Ghana Sports Stadium. Bear dancing, baby. Bear dancing, baby. I'm saying that on Father's Day, there's only one place to be. University of Ghana Sports Stadium. Ahedi, sin baby. And that is it. That's the message. But let me tell you what will happen. The curtain raiser is exciting. The real match is exciting. Watch out for the opening ceremony.
That's a secret.
Watch out for the opening ceremony. I can give you a tip. It's a battle. It's a cultural battle between the Gans and the Ashantis. we will enact it, And then the medal ceremony, medal awards, and Charlie, then the trophies, and the after party. Guess the DJ on duty, DJ Loft.
Wow.
MC Kojo Manuel.
Yeah.
That should send you a signal.
Thank you very much. All right, so that's the chairman of the MTN FA Cup committee, and you can see the trophy here. So tune in live on Max TV on Sunday. But then the University of Ghana Stadium will be hosting that crunch game, and I'm sure you'll be there as well.
Yeah, I would like to thank your boss,
Okay.
Maxwell. He's a fantastic businessman. I'm a businessman. I've met businessmen. That guy, he's got it. He's got the ish, And we are grateful to Awa for making it possible for us to go to Kumasi and bring us back for the trophy tour. And they are catering for the GH Sports Live commentators as well. We are grateful to MTN. We are grateful to all the TV stations that are partnering us and all the radio stations. This is the first time we are syndicating radio. 2 commentaries being run on all radio stations across the nation. It's the first time. There's a lot of novelty about this final. And it's wonderful to see the quality of TV stations that will be broadcasting this match. We will see it on Metro TV, we see it on Max TV, we see it on TV3, we will see it on Adum TV. And it will be everywhere. It will touch every space in Ghana. And this is the magic of MTN FA Cup competition. Obia nyobia. So obi.
Thank you very much, Osata. Thank you. Thank you.
Obia nyobia.